Bonjour, today we are going to play a game to see how well we know our masculine and feminine French words. As always, there is a support guide available with this lesson, so click on the join button if you want to access it or look at my website learnfrenchwithalexa.com. Why don't you check my Insta account too, Learn French with Alexa. So now that you have watched my video on recognizing the feminine or masculine words, I would like to play a game with you. Can you guess the gender of the following words without necessarily knowing what they mean, but just by looking at their endings? Put an un or une in front of the words, or le or la, unless it begins with a vowel, then put an L apostrophe. Please stop the video for 5 minutes so you can work this out by yourself. Have a look at the list now. Activiste, né, voisin, voiture, journée, citron, brouillard, visite, société, solution, facteur, enveloppe, pommier, tendresse, féminisme, vélo, bicyclette, écran, coup, italien, automne, dimanche, projet, mission. Okay, so this is the list of the words that I would like you to try to guess whether they are feminine or masculine. Come back in 5 minutes. Have a look at it. Let's see how well you did. Are you ready? Okay. Activiste. Un or une activiste? Well, that was a bit of a trick question because it can be both. We're talking about a person, so when it has an ist sound, it's either feminine or masculine, depending on who you're talking about. Un activiste, une activiste. Né is a nose. Well, it ends with a Z, so it's more likely to be masculine, so it's un né. Voisin, that's a neighbor. In that case, it is un voisin, a neighbor. Not that if you add an E to that word, it becomes voisine, and you can say la voisine. It becomes feminine. Voiture, that's a ur sound, and we've learned in the video on feminine that the ur sound are feminine. So it's la voiture or une voiture, the car. Journée. Journée has a double E, so it's very likely to be feminine. So une journée ou la journée. That's the day. Again, there are some double E that are masculine, and we saw some exceptions in that video. Citron. That's a lemon. Now, we also saw that unless it has an E, fruits and veg is masculine, okay, are masculine. Citron, a lemon, doesn't end with an E, so therefore it's masculine. So, un citron ou le citron. Brouillard. Brouillard is a cloud. It's not a cloud. Brouillard is fog. Sorry about that. And it has a ARD at the end, so it is masculine. Le brouillard, un brouillard. Visite. Now it has an E sound, that's a visit. It's une visite ou la visite. Société. Société has a T-I sound, et so it's feminine. La société ou une société. Solution. That's a solution. It's la solution, une solution. It is feminine because most sion words are feminine. Facteur. Facteur. Un facteur. Le facteur, okay, it's masculine. It ends with a teur, just like tracteur ou chanteur. Enveloppe. Now it has with an E, so it's most likely to be feminine. Une enveloppe, okay, ou l'enveloppe, l'apostrophe, it's feminine. Pommier, it has with ye, it's masculine. And not only that, it is a tree. And we learned in the video on masculine words that the trees are masculine. So, pommier, the apple tree. Tendresse, if it ends in S, it's most likely to be feminine. So, la tendresse, une tendresse. Féminisme. Feminist is a funny one. It always amuses me. Now, it ends with isme, and so all the isme words are usually masculine. Un féminisme, le féminisme. Ironically. Vélo. Vélo is a bicycle. It ends with O. It's un vélo. Le vélo. Bicyclette is also a bicycle, but it has et at the end, so it is feminine. La bicyclette, une bicyclette. Écran. See the short sound? Écran. Now, écran is a screen. It is masculine. Un écran ou l'écran. L'apostrophe. Okay, it is a en. It doesn't have an e. Masculine. Coup. Again, it's quite short. Coup is a neck. It's le coup ou un coup. It is masculine. Italien. Now, Italian is a language. So all languages, I said, are masculine. Un italien ou l'italien. Okay, talking about the language. Automne. Autumn is a season. And I said that all the seasons are masculine. It's a season, so it's masculine. Un automne ou l'automne. L'apostrophe. Dimanche is a day of the week. So it is masculine. Le dimanche ou un dimanche. Sunday. Projet ends with e sound. Okay, so it's masculine. Le projet ou un projet. And to finish, mission. It has a sion sound, so it is going to be feminine. So we say la mission ou une mission, a mission. So hopefully you did really well. I'd love to hear, actually, why don't you leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me how well you did. I would love to find out, actually. And also, of course, there are many exceptions to the rules, but why don't you have a look at my other two videos, one on the feminine words and one is on masculine words. I would love to hear how well you've done and whether you understand the principle of feminine and masculine words a bit better. That's it for me. Leave a comment, have a look at the guide as well, and I shall see you super soon. Au revoir, à bientôt, bisous bisous.